In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate within DaVinci Resolve, specifically focusing on adjusting your timeline's output blanking. This is a pretty straightforward process, but getting everything right is key to ensuring your project looks professional. First off, you'll want to open up DaVinci Resolve. It's a fantastic tool for video editing, and whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, understanding how to finesse the finer details can significantly enhance the quality of your work. If you haven't yet installed DaVinci Resolve, you'll want to do that first. It's available for download on the official DaVinci website, and they even offer a free version with a robust set of features. Once you have DaVinci Resolve open, direct your attention to the Timeline menu located at the top part of the screen. Timelines in DaVinci Resolve are essentially where all the magic happens. They're your workspace for editing, layering, and putting together your film or video project. Now, under this Timeline menu, you're going to select Output Blanking. This is where you can adjust the aspect ratios of your output. Aspect ratio is crucial because it defines the width and height of your video, ensuring that it's being presented in the most visually appealing way for your chosen platform. Common aspect ratios include 16:9 for widescreen presentations and 4:3 for more traditional formats, among others. Picking the right one depends on where your video will be viewed and what kind of visual impact you want to create. Once you've selected Output Blanking, you'll be prompted to choose your desired aspect ratio. By choosing your ratio, you essentially set how your final project will look when exported or played on different screens. If you're unsure which ratio to use, think about where and how your video will most commonly be seen. For instance, if your video will predominantly be viewed on TV screens or online in a player that supports full widescreen, then a 16:9 ratio is typically preferable. Just click on your chosen ratio and DaVinci Resolve will automatically adjust the output settings for you. It's really that simple, just a few clicks and you're done. And there you have it. With the output blanking set, you can rest easy knowing your project's visual presentation is built on a solid foundation. Remember, understanding these basic settings can greatly influence your post-production workflow and the quality of your final project. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, don't hesitate to explore DaVinci Resolve's resources as they offer in-depth solutions and guidance. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.